What's happening, everyone? Welcome back to the shop. Now, I've just broken the 1,000 subscriber mark, which is absolutely fantastic. So I just want to do a quick video to say thanks to everybody who has subscribed to the channel so far, to everybody who comments and to everybody who likes the videos. You really seem to be enjoying the content and the channel is really starting to grow, so it's absolutely fantastic. So there's going to be plenty more to come, plenty more projects coming up, plenty more tool reviews, a few things in the pipeline that I won't share with you just yet, but the channel is growing and it's absolutely fantastic. So yeah, this is just a thank you to all you guys out there who are watching this. I'm getting messages from America, England, Australia, India, all over the world, and it's absolutely fantastic that I can share my hobbies and my interests with like-minded people. So yeah, I'll just do a quick channel update and a quick project update. I'll show you some of the projects that I've worked on. I've added a few things to them, so we'll go through that. Little walk around the shop and we'll have a look and see what's going on in here. And yeah, once again, thanks very much to all the new subscribers, guys. Welcome along. Right, first thing, a quick update on this Dovetail box. As I said when I was making this video, I was following Matt Esley's tutorial. It's absolutely fantastic. So I'll leave a link up here. You can go watch that video, and all the links to Matt's channel and stuff will be in that video. So go check it out if you want to see how to build this yourself. So the finish is all on it now. Danish oil, it's all nice and shiny, and I've added some walnut inserts, so I'll show you that. Right, just a quick look at this box. This is the finished article, and this is a present now for my missus for Christmas, along with a little bit of jewellery. So it turned out to be a really nice box, and like I say, the Danish oil finish turned out really well. And I said at the end of the video I was thinking about adding some walnut trays, and that's exactly what I've done. So I've just made 2 little walnut trays that sit into the box. Just like that, they pop out, and you can see I've added a little walnut trim inside just for those things to sit on, so you can see it running around the box here. So yeah, that is my finished Dovetail box there now, and again, check out Matt's tutorial series. It's fantastic, and I really enjoy building this, and I'm going to enjoy building the next project Matt comes up with too, so I'm going to follow along and develop my woodworking skills. So let's rock on to the next project. Right, another project that I recently uploaded was this Rebate Plane, and I said at the end of the video I was going to add a fence to it, which is exactly what I did. I don't know if that's focusing on that there. Now you can see the fence. It's just 2 screws. Piece of maple the same width as the plane, and you just put a line in it either side, so an elongated hole so that the fence can move in and out, and you just tighten down your screws, and now it works like an absolute charm. So I made this from maple and walnut. Again, I'll leave a link up here if you want to check out how to make yourself a Rebate plane. You get a great little plane for very little money, and yeah, it's fantastic. And you can make this out of pine too. Won't last as long, but you can just make another one as soon as it wears out, and it's a good little option for a Rebate plane. Right, a quick demonstration of it now with the fence on. So the fence is nice and handy, it sits right against your material, and you can see that material is spiraling out of it. Really nice now. Which is absolutely fantastic. So it works like an absolute charm. Just a block of wood with a chisel in it. How bad? Right, a quick update on the router table then. It is working extremely well. Again, I'll leave a link up here and down in the description below if you want to see how to make yourself a fantastic router table out of a sheet of plywood. It's doing the job exactly what I wanted it to do, and I've just added 2 little pieces of offcut that I had to the side of my fence, so that just catches on the side of my sheet of plywood on both sides. It just allows my fence to run up and down. It keeps everything nice and straight and everything perfectly parallel. So it's the beauty of cutting your table exactly out of your sheet of ply, so 4 foot with a 4 foot fence, and you can just drop 2 pieces off the side then, which catch either side of your table, and yeah, like I said, keeps everything nice and parallel and nice and straight, and just clamp that fence then and it doesn't budge, which is fantastic. Right, another update. A lot of questions I get asked is about this Record Power DX4000. I've done a review on it when I first bought it, and people are always asking me, have you any update on it? Does it work? Does it do exactly what you want it to do? Yes, it absolutely does. The only thing I'll say to you is buy yourself the 32mm hose attachment adapter. record power, make an adapter set. You can use it all with your power tools and stuff. It's absolutely fantastic. It's extremely powerful. Works with the 100mm hose, works with the 32mm hose, and I've just added a base to it so I can wheel it around my shop, and I can also use it as a shop vac. So it's just a sheet of plywood with 4 casters on it, nothing fancy, and it's absolutely perfect for what I need. So the answer is yes, this thing does exactly what it says it does, and it works great. The only thing you'll have with it is, the only pain with it is emptying it. That's true of any chip or dust extractor. They can be a little bit messy to empty, but yeah, extremely powerful, nice and small and compact, and works with everything, power tools and machines, which is great. Right, so one major shop update then. If you probably notice, the table saw is gone. So I sold the Kitty 1619 table saw. I had it for about 6 months. I'd done some restoration work on it, and then I sold it. Why did I sell it? Well, I just simply wasn't using it. I thought I'd have a lot of use for a table saw, but ever since I bought that Bosch 12-inch miter saw, the table saw has just been sitting here unused. And the only thing I was using it for was ripping down 8x4 sheets, but that's kind of awkward on a table saw. The kind of rule is, the bigger the material you're working on, the smaller your tool you use. So I'm going to get myself a track saw for ripping down sheets in future. That will be a lot handier just to do that on my workbench, and it frees up a hell of a lot more space in the shop. So yeah, that miter saw is exceptional and has a really big depth of cut and a really big length of cut, and it suits me for everything I need to do, and it's quicker and faster than using a table saw. So I sold a table saw to a really happy guy who got it, and best of luck with it, and I hope it works out for you. So yeah, no table saw in the shop. Shocker. Right, so another quick update for you then. I get a lot of questions about this. How is the SIP fireball working out? How's my shop heater doing? And yeah, it does exactly what I needed to do. It heats the shop really quickly. I only get an hour or two in here at a time, and this just takes the sting out of the air. It's unbelievably cold at the minute. It's below freezing now as I'm standing in this shop, and this thing is just making it comfortable to walk in here. I still have my jacket on, but it's ideal for my needs. I just come in here, switch it on, warm the place up, do what I need to do, and leave. And I have it over a month now, and it's still on that sink, that first tank of propane. I reckon I'm halfway through it. So if I get 2 months out of one cylinder, that's about 33 euros a month, or for 2 months, which is not bad. Might cost me 66, say 99, 100 quid to get me over the winter, which to heat the shop is actually pretty cheap. Now, I'm not in here that long, it's a couple of hours at a time. It mightn't be ideal for you if you're in your shop all day. If your shop is insulated, however, it will heat the shop quickly, and if your shop holds the heat, then it could be good for you. This isn't insulated. As soon as I turn it off, the temperature will begin to drop again. I'll have to turn it back on again in about a half an hour's time. But yeah, it kicks out an unbelievable amount of heat. And so far, so good on the gas front. It's not burning too much gas, so that's good. So that's the SIP fireball, guys. So far, so good. Okay, so there we go. Just a quick video to say thanks to all the new subscribers and all the existing subscribers and everybody who interacts, comments and likes the videos. Thanks very much. The channel is starting to grow and it's really starting to take off, which is absolutely fantastic. And just a little update on the projects that I've done in the last few videos, how they're working out and stuff like that. I'm just literally in the door from work, and I wanted to make a quick video just to say thank you. And it's unbelievably cold. Like I say, it's gotten down below freezing now the last few days. And yeah, it's like an ice box in this shop. So that heater is a lifesaver at the minute. So yeah, that's about all I can say now, guys. And I shall see you in the next video. Projects to come, tool reviews to come, and plenty more content. Any comments, any questions you have for me, just leave them below. Anything you want to know about, and I will get back to you. And yeah, thanks very much. And I shall see you in the next one, guys. Take it easy.